Hi everyone, this is Anna from Phenomena Paints and I'm here with another video. Um, these are my shoes, work shoes, and I was planning to paint it. So I thought instead of just doing it myself, it's a good idea to show you what I'm doing. And I just started, you see, this side is different and this side is different. I just started doing it and all of a sudden I thought that, okay, let's share it. So here I am. So the I am just using these small brushes to play with them because it's a small piece. It's not a very big furniture piece. First, I'm going to paint this white, the sole, and I just started a little bit of here, which is one coat, and I'm going to finish doing that, and then we're going to go in the middle. So this is my white color. You see, this is my white color. It's medieval pearl. So I'll just show you. It's very easy. That's to the other side. See the transformation just with the sole being changed, painted white. It will take few minutes for it to dry, and then we are going to go to the next part. So this is okay. So the one coat on this side is done. This is the two coats. You see, this is two coats. It's very white or white. So I'll wait until it's dried up and we'll do the rest. Okay, so done with the sole. This is two coats and this side is one coat. Not much difference, but I would like to do another coat so that it covers properly. This side, this shoe, I've already done the sole and I taped it so that I can paint the front and the fabric. These are my favorite shoes. I just don't want to lose them, so I thought I'll paint them. So I was thinking, because the shoes design has like three parts. There's this seam, you see, this seam, it's one part, and then there is a seam here and here. It's two parts, and then this one is the third part. So I'm thinking of using three colors. This is rusty orchid, dark purple. I like this color, so I'm going to use that. Then this is Wannabe. It's reddish pink. It's nice bright pink, so I'll be using this color. And this is my hot favorite. It's turquoise, peacock in my line. So here it is. So let's start painting. So I'll start with the purple one, this color. Remember to tape it so that your sole doesn't get dirty. See, it's covering everything up. They don't look that dirty anymore already. I have big plans for these shoes, and I'll show you the final product, but this is just the start. I was planning to paint them and then do some work on them just to make them look pretty. I'm using dark colors because I was just thinking it's getting colder a bit outside, and it's nice to wear something in dark colors. So this is done, purple is done. Now I'm going to start with pink or Wannabe. And it will need 2 coats, not just one. I'm just putting the color right now, then I'm going to go ahead, do a bit of blending on the colors where the colors meet, like this part, and then they will look nice and pretty. So I'm not really worried about this line. This will blend in once it's dried with the second coat, so it will blend in. We probably have to wait for the second coat because it takes a bit of time. It's fabric and it might take like maybe an hour or so to dry it out. So the blending I will show you in next video. Now we are just laying the base coat of the colors, so we can play around in next video. See how it already looks nice. And now we go with the turquoise or peacock here. If you feel that your brush is little hard on the surface, you can spray a bit of water on your brush and let the paint spread. we are almost done with the first coat. Remember, this is a first coat. So we're going to let it dry for a few hours. It's a fabric, it might take longer. Usually it takes about half an hour to dry it out, but it's a fabric, so it might take a bit longer to dry it out. So we'll do, once it's dried out, we're going to do the second coat on the colors, and then we're going to blend them so that those colors do not just have the sharp line here. They are blended together and they look pretty. This is how it looks with the first coat. I'm going to go ahead and do the other shoe, this one, which I just painted with white. This is almost dry. So I'm going to just go and wait for this to completely dry out, tape it, do the second coat, tape it, and then bring it to this level. And then we're going to do the blending once they are dried and everything. And I'm going to do blending with you in my next video, which will be on today is Saturday, so our next video will be on Tuesday, and I will be doing that next step with you. Stay tuned. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.